What is up, YouTube? This is SoFly Sector checking in for another video, and hope you guys doing well. All my family and my supporters out there, hope you guys doing well. Hope you guys are staying so fly today, and let me know down in the comments what are you rocking, and how fly are you, and all that good stuff. So without just going right in, I'm gonna show you a package that just came 2 days ago. So I just want to share these with you guys today. So we have a unboxing. Check it out. Just do it on the tape so you know it's gonna be a Nike or a Jordan. Probably Jordan. So let's get right into it. So we just opened it right off the bat. You guys see that Air Jordan right there, blue. Right there with the letters, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You're damn right. The greatest player ever, Jordan. So really cool, different box, as you can see. Has really, I don't know, has like a tie-dye, style Air Jordan on there with the Jumpman. Pretty cool, right? So let's get into it. I want you guys to see them first. How they look. Good? Do they look good? Oof. They do look good. Wow. Okay. Well, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful Air Jordan 12s. These are the 12s from the Air Jordan models, out of all of them. From numbers, the 12s. So these are the Air Jordan 12 Index. Let's put everything down and really focus on these beautiful shoes. They really are, well, they're not necessarily based after the Obsidian Jordan 12s, but they just look similar to the Air Jordan Obsidian 12s. So the Obsidian 12s released back in 2012, and it's cool that they released a shoe that kind of looks like it in a way, because the Obsidian 12s, I was pretty much a fan of it. I always liked blue and white shoes because you can't go wrong with the blue and white, right? So yeah, the only thing that separates these shoes from the Obsidian 12s is the blue laces and the blue on where the toe is at and everywhere. The Obsidian 12s, the blue is a little bit more like a darker shade, and it has, instead of blue, white laces, and that's pretty much it. Here it's white, all over is white, and here I think it's a little gray on the Obsidian 12s where the carbon fiber is at. So these are really nice. Like I said, they look like the Obsidian 12s. So they're really cool and nice, clean cut. You can wear them with pretty much anything. Pretty much anything. sort of. Not with, yeah, they don't really go with anything, like everything, but there's some things that you could go. It could go, you know, it could go with what I have on right now. You know, I have the blue denim hat, so why not? And to tell you guys the truth, these are my first Air Jordan 12s. I've always wanted a pair of Air Jordan 12s, but I don't know why. I just never got to have a pair. I don't know why. The ones that I've wanted in the past always sold out because the Air Jordan 12s are really popular. Like everyone loves the Air Jordan 12s, and the ones that I like struck out on is the Flu Games, the University Golds that released like I would say 3 weeks ago, like around there. And these released last weekend, I think on Friday, like something like that. On Friday they released, and they were really cool. I love them, and for my first Air Jordan 12s, why not, right? So I think they sold out everywhere, but I'm not too sure about that. They sold out on the Nike sneakers app, but like like Foot Locker and all those Champ Sports, I'm not sure if they have them, but I know my size did sold out because it's a popular
Dumbass
size
motherfucker.
and everyone wants Air Jordan 12s. Like I said, they're popular, and these look a lot like the Obsidian OG Jordan 12. So I wouldn't be surprised if my size was sold out and the shoe was sold out. So, but I'm gonna link it down below if I see any of these still on, that you could cop. So yeah, that's the little unboxing that I wanted to show you guys, all quick. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Oh, and this week is gonna be my birthday. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. But it is what it is. It's not always the same once you get older. It is what it is. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like and comment down below of what you think about these. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. Stop what you're doing, pause this right now, and leave a comment of what you think. I want you guys to say something about it. Leave a like. Please, if you're new, leave a like. Comment down below of whatever you want, and hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video. SoFly Sector out.